In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Shopify store with eBay for a smooth selling experience. If you've been looking to expand your e-commerce business by tapping into eBay's vast user base, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the entire process of connecting your Shopify platform to your eBay account, syncing your products, and managing orders, all in one place. Let's get started by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Make sure you're using your correct credentials, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all the magic happens. This is your central hub, giving you control over everything you need for your online store. From here, look for the Sales Channels section in the menu on the left-hand side. Shopify offers various sales channels, but today our focus is on eBay. Once you've clicked on Sales Channels, you'll see an option for eBay. If you haven't installed it yet, you may be prompted to add this sales channel to your Shopify account. Follow any on-screen prompts to ensure it's properly set up. Adding eBay as a sales channel allows your products to reach millions of potential buyers who use eBay worldwide, opening up new avenues for sales and growth. Next, we need to connect your eBay account. If you already have an eBay account, be sure to have those details handy. Follow the instructions on your Shopify dashboard to link your account, which usually involves logging into your eBay account through Shopify and authorizing access. This step is crucial because it allows the two platforms to communicate with each other, keeping your inventory and orders in sync. If you don't already have an eBay account, you'll need to create one. This is a straightforward process where you'll provide your details and follow the prompts from eBay. After successfully linking your eBay account, it's time to sync your products and inventory. This process ensures that any changes in your Shopify inventory, such as price updates or stock levels, are mirrored on eBay. Go to the settings within the eBay sales channel on Shopify and look for the sync options. Ensure that your product catalog is synced so that every product you want to list on eBay is properly displayed. This automatic synchronization minimizes errors and keeps everything up to date, which is vital for maintaining your seller reputation. Finally, let's talk about managing your orders. With your eBay and Shopify accounts linked, you can manage all your orders directly from the Shopify dashboard. This streamlined approach not only saves time, but also reduces the complexity of handling orders across different platforms. When an order comes in from eBay, it shows up just like any Shopify order, providing you with a smooth workflow for processing, shipping, and tracking. By following these steps, you're set to broaden your business horizons via eBay efficiently. We hope